friends, myself Charan Babu and I am from the CSC department Year 2 section. Today I came up with the topic coronavirus. In this topic we are discussing about the overview and symptoms and how to prevent coronavirus and what is the impact of coronavirus. Let's get into the first topic. Overview. See, coronavirus has spread a very long and it has teached us a best lesson in our life. Coron- See, generally, coronavirus disease is a infectious disease. Most people infected with COVID-19 will experience mainly respiratory problems. See, the people who are affected with this coronavirus, the they will mainly experience, respiratory problems like breathing problem, lung problems, etc. And they will recover without special treatment. Like if we take a good diet or yes, good diet, then it is easy to get rid of this coronavirus. You see, older people with underlying medical problems like diabetics, cancer, etc., will cause serious illness. See, older people will have a lot of health diseases like they will have very health diseases. In that, who having diabetics and cancer like and other some dangerous diseases will ultimately leads to the death. And this is a fast spreading virus. Yeah, of course. Prevention. This is the main part of symptoms. The second topic we are discussing about symptoms. See, the person who is affected with the coronavirus will having the following symptoms like fever, dry cough, tiredness, aches and pains, sore throat, headache, loss of taste and smell, conjunctivitis, difficulty in breathing and loss of speech. The following symptoms will show that the person is affected with the coronavirus. So prevention. How to prevent coronavirus? Uh, there are many reasons. Many steps, but I came up with a few steps. Like clean your hands with sanitizer regularly. See, by cleaning your hands sanitizer regularly, whenever you came from outside or you are going from home, that see that your hand should always should be clean. Second point, maintain social distance everywhere. Of course, it's a mandatory to maintain a social distance. Wear a mask while social distance is not possible. Yeah, not in case of only social distance is not possible. Wear a mask daily. Cover your nose with your hand or cloth while sneezing. Yes. If you have any fever or breathing problems, immediately seek medical attention. See, if you feel any illness or anything or any health problems, just go to the nearby doctor or any other medicals. This provides you on help in spreading of virus. Impact. Um, the impact of the coronavirus. This pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide. It presents a challenge to public health, food systems, and world of work. The economic and social disruption caused by the pandemic is devastating. See, by coronavirus, the India has given its total lockdown. Entire country is got locked down. So by this, our GDP has decreased, uh, ultimately decreased. Millions of people are in the risk of falling into poverty. See, generally, temporary workers. The people who are shifting from one place to another place for the work, they lost their jobs and they even can't getting to their homes. And currently estimated nearly 690 million. The affected people were 690 million, and it could increase up to the 132 million by the end of this 2021 year. So day by day the situation is getting worse. I mean, you have to follow all the prevention methods like wearing mask and staying home, etc., and maintaining social distance. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.